Hello everyone, welcome back. Today my friend is here. She came for a trim and she left with a haircut.
One time, it's about mountain. It's body, baby.
I'm going to be using some leave-in condition just to work the product into the hair and then use a heat protector to just prevent it from any heat.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane.
I'm just combing the ends of the hair. The hair looks a little bit fragile. I'm going to be using a heat protector. Like this is a serum heat protector. I like this because it helps the hair to just glide through when you're cutting the hair. I'm just going to work this product. This product you take just a little bit. All the product I use, I'm going to put it in the description below.
I'm always all about my business. I got my business and we never ever finish.
I'm going to start by blow drying the hair. I'm using my padded brush and I'm setting the heat in a low, like a medium low heat.
Then I look her in her eyes one time. Say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her.
This is my very good friend. I've not seen her for like a while. This is where she told me that she wants a big chop because she wanted to cut her hair a while ago. I refused. She's showing me this is what I want. I wanted to drop, like cutting your hair.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
She's showing me this is what she wants, and I'm going to start by cutting the hair. Oh, I didn't want to do this, but it came out nice.
I want me
I'm going to start cutting the hair right now. I'm doing a freehand cutting, and you can just put a comb on top if you can't do the freehand. That will just guide you through. And try and cut it an inch below what the client wants so that you can go in and adjust the length.
Bad man na me they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man me na give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor.
You can see the front is a little bit thin. I'm just going to take a little bit off from the front just to measure it with the one in the back.
And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah. I want to meet you.
What I'm doing here is called blending. I'm just going to take the hair to see if there's any hair that wasn't cut. I'm just going to cut it. We are not doing like a layer at the back. We're going to be doing layers in the front. I'm just pulling it up, but because we took a lot of weight, there's not really much to come off, but it's good to actually check because you never know. So just check around the back, but not the front, because we don't want to put any hole in the front. Some layers in the front there, and I'm taking the weight from that back. I'm just going to take the weight of the hair. Doing this, it just makes the hair feel light, like youthful and fresh.
It's the original Batman. One time, it's about mountain.
I'm just going to repeat the step on the other side. Taking it to the back, I'm going to be using my shade to just kind of cut it a little bit because the front is already short. We just have to be careful. We take a bit by bit. This is the hair before we did it, and this is it now.
I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane.
I'm going to be using a straightener on her hair. This hair is a relaxed hair. There's a bit of undergrowth at the root. I'm going to use like the straightener to just kind of pull the root just a little bit. You see when I'm doing it, just to make sure the root is a little bit straight.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and we never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style.
This straightener is set in 180 degree. It's not too hot because our hair is relaxed. When you're working with a chemically treated hair, you just have to reduce the heat and use lot of heat protector, which we've already done.
I give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
This is one of my favorite straightener to use because the heat is easy to regulate. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Boy, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean.
If you want to wrap it at home, you can just wrap it round and use a pin to hold it because there's no one there to hold it for you. You just hold it and then wrap it around and use a sectioning pin to just hold it. When you finish, you tie it and then you take the pins out from the hair and the hair will stay tucking. When you wake up in the morning, it's just going to be bouncing like this.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
When you're working with relaxed hair and you want the hair to have volume, just reduce the heat from the straightener. I'm going to be tonguing this front to the back. I'm going to be flipping it to the back to just give us a little bit of movement. All the products I use in this video, I'm going to list them down below. I'm just going to use my hand to push it in place. The back is still straight. She just wants just a little bit of poof at the front. I'm using this soft spray on the hair. It just gives it a nice shine texture to the hair. I'm happy I caught the hair. She's happy. I'm happy. If you are new to this channel, I upload video every week. Bridal hairstyle, all type of hair. Next week I'm going to be posting Instagram recreation look and I know you can't wait to see that hair. This playlist up here, I recommend it for you, and the one below, YouTube think you should watch it. See you next week. I love you all. Bye bye.
It's VQ.
I'ma make you bounce like